Let's pack order number 15. She ordered this cinnimaroll school book with Hello Kitty school book. She adds cinnimaroll and Hello Kitty blind box because she and her bestie like surprise. Let's see another stuffs. It's Hello Kitty squishmallow with pear cinnimaroll squishmallow. Last item is cinnimaroll and Hello Kitty pencil, so they can write anything with the school books. Time to put them together. She asked plain confetti only because she don't care about the confetti. She only wants her cinnimaroll and Hello Kitty squishies. Don't forget the freebies because she subscribed. Time to go. Bye-bye.